If it's PzS, it's all the same. Performance depends on design, materials and efficiency, and not all PzS batteries are equal. Take our truck uplift, for example. It's PzS as well, but it delivers more operating hours, better charge efficiency and lower water consumption compared to standard PzS batteries. An example: if two identical forklifts were tested, one with a standard PzS, the other one with truck uplift, the result could be as follows. Over a month, the uplift unit requires 25% less time to charge and ran 12% longer per charge and needed 50% fewer top-ups, significantly reducing downtime and operator effort. PzS isn't always the same. The difference lies in the detail. Do the real math, decide smart with PPC.